सरकाराकडल्यान आवश्यक मजत मेळूंक नाशिल्ल्यान NGOन मानसीक दुयेंती, दिव्यांग आनी घर नाशिल्ल्या लोकांक घेवन पणजे पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर घेराव घालो। तांची देखभाल करपाक आवश्यक निधी ना। सरकारान ह्या प्रकाराचेर पुरायपणान दुर्लक्ष केला असो आरोप NGOन केला।
We have done earlier, and we have requested for some relief.
So this is not the agitation. You're just dropping them here.
Simple.
Yeah.
See, all these people were brought by the police.
Exactly.
From different police stations. Correct?
Correct.
Now we have brought them here in the Panje police station, and we are requesting the Panje police station, you please send them to
their respective.
They have brought them. Bus. Simple, simple. We don't have the money now. Cost of petrol is there, cost of drivers are there, all these things. So we are in a very deep situation.
Inform
1 month in advance, 28th of July 2025, there was a front page ad that came on the Ravin Times and also Herald. Okay, and there we have said that police, you have brought them, please come and take them. Then 1 month in advance, the government has communicated to the DYSP, to the SPs, to the PIs, and telling them to, now here you come and PIs, and he was told yesterday everything. And now there is a PSI here. So are we supposed to just juggle around the people and
Police तुमका खंय वच म्हणटा आता सध्या?
म्हणटा वॉर म्हणून सोशल वेलफेअर डिपार्टमेंट सोशल वेलफेअर कितें ना सोशल वेलफेअर दारा बंद हा ओके आमी कितें करपाचें हॉन्टी कडेन उलोवपाचें तिका नाल्यार सोशल वेलफेअर कोण आहा पळय तो कोणें सांगू सोशल वेलफेअर ते डायरेक्टर आपूण हाडूं